Guys, in this video we are going to take a very crucial aspect of our contemporary dealings, and it is going to be a really it is really going to be a helpful video for all of you. So as you know, that our exams is on the corner, and if you are going to appear for CUET, and perhaps we all are going to appear in CUET 2024, but among all of us there can be students who are interested in online education because they want to pursue something else along with their college, and perhaps most of the students are going for regular college, but there are some who want some who just want degree, their graduation degree, and want to do something else. So I am also one of them. So for you guys, see, this video is for the people. It's videos everybody, for every student who is my contemporary, and listen to me guys carefully, because after 2 months we'll be ending up one aspect of our journey of life, that is school life. Our school life is going to have a full stop. We are going to have a full stop in our school life, and as you know, there is a different beginning. There is a new beginning after every night, as there is a new morning after every night. So the point where we'll be ending up our school journey, that would be the same point where we'll be starting our college life, different a different aspect of the life. Okay, so the student who are really obsessed, who are really confused with their courses, with their future, with their uh, career. So I just want to have a discussion with you guys. First of all, ask these questions. Okay, just consider these questions that I'm going to ask. First of all, see, who is the decision maker of your life? Perhaps you yourself should be the answer. I mean, for you guys, me. I mean, for you, me should be the answer. Uh, for example, for me, if someone asks me, who is your decision maker of life? So I would say, I am my decision maker. I am the CEO of my life. I am the CEO. I am the MD. I am the owner. I am uh, the kind of, you can say, king of my life. Okay, that is first thing. And when you are the owner, so who is supposed to take risk to make any organization, any business, any idea grow? The owner, right? So here one thing becomes clear, that you have to take the risk. You have to take the risk, because guys, I literally want to suggest you, don't take advice too much. Believe in yourself. Okay, because no advice is going to be a perfect for you. No advice would work uh, good for you until or unless you believe it to be a good, as a good advice. Everyone would suggest their opinion, and don't, I would say, advice, don't take advice to someone, especially to someone who is not uh, the experienced person of that field which you are going to pursue. For suppose you want to be an entrepreneur, and you ask this question here, how to become an entrepreneur to a shopkeeper, or to a person, okay, to a person who is doing a job, in spite of the fact that he has nothing to do with the entrepreneurship, because he is doing job under someone, and being an entrepreneur means you are the owner. So how can a person who is under someone, who is working under someone, give you an advice to be the king? How a minister can can give you the advice to be the king? Huh? When he is himself a minister. But but what is fascinating is that that person would give you advice, and with so much confidence that his advice is ultimately is universal, it is right correctly. Okay, he would suggest you, yeah, do this, huh? It is going to be best for you, it will prove best for you. He will challenge your ideas, yeah, don't do this because it has this problem, that problem, blah blah. He would automatically try to persuade you to take step according to his choice. It is a human tendency, yeah. If I would advise someone, then definitely uh, I would definitely think, or I would definitely seek that that person must work according to my advice. Okay, this soothe human ego, this soothe human feelings. This is a tendency of human beings that we cannot do anything about it. It's all about understanding. The value you understand human nature, the value you become. Hmm? So don't take advice to someone, especially who is not from the field that you are pursuing, that you are looking for. And second thing is, don't consider that person's advice too, because they are, I would say, yeah, do everything by yourself. There there is a lot information, there is a lot of information about anything that you want to do, any course that you want to pursue. And there is hell amount of information on YouTube, on Google, on uh, sort of applications, websites. Surf the internet, choose according to your will, take risk, yeah. Everything has its pros and cons. Every coin has head and tail. You cannot put yourself in a situation where you will not having two choices, where you will not having negatives and positive, but it all depends on your response, how you pursue, how you perceive all the consequences. No, nothing is inbuilt good or bad. When you categorize it in your bad list, in your good list, then it becomes good and bad. Okay, for suppose someone who is kind of suppose giving an examination of 12th class, okay, and he fails in the examination. So the situation is neutral. He has failed the examination, and he yet not categorized it into bad or good. Although he has good and bad list, but he thinks for a time He just leave that particular aspect to be neutral, and he thinks about it. Yeah, I have failed examination. So which category I should give it? I mean, which category I should put this experience or this phenomena? Then every person, there are different types of person. It depends on your perception, your notion, how you see things. A person can be, a person can put it into a negative corner and would justify that, yeah, I have failed examination, so many people has passed, even my companion, even my classmate has passed the examination, who was never seemed to be studying, but he had passed the examination. I could not pass, yeah. How silly I am, or how, what is my level, this and that. And there, at the same time, simultaneously, there can be another person who would be thinking like, yeah, I have failed the exam, okay, but I get the opportunity to top the exam. How? I have already read in the class, already read. I have, cleared the concept somewhat, to some extent. And if I do this, if I study all this again, see, I have failed because of some reason. Because my concept were not that much good, were not that much clear, but I have gone through the syllabus. And if I go through it again, then I would be having some plus point that I would be ahead of 1 year, almost. I mean, 1 year, whole year, I would be ahead of all the student, and that would be the best factor to top the examination. So I will go. I have the opportunity to go from worst to best, and for that person, the fact that he have failed the examination would become an opportunity, and indeed it would be an opportunity. So, with this example, I just want to tell you that nothing is good or bad by itself. It becomes good or bad when you categorized it into good and bad. Okay, so the word is totally neutral. There is nothing like good and bad. Little people say, "Yaar, okay, it is a cycle. When good things happen, bad things will happen. If your time is good, then wait, your bad time will come. And if your bad time is, kind of running, then wait, your good time will come." But the fact is that there is nothing, there exists nothing like good and bad things, good and bad experience, good and bad time. But yeah, there are sort of things that you already have mentioned or already have put into the good corner. You have made yourself. Yeah, you just categorized in your mind. You just made a categorization from for some of certain type of activities, certain type of phenomena, certain type of experience, that this is good, this is bad, and when this will happen to me, I'll categorize it into bad. And the fact is that the concept of cycling, like good and bad, is mm, the theory of good and bad cycle. The time will the transition of the bad and good is that, because yeah, the phenomena that are very common, that are neutral actually, they are very common to happen, and they are prone to happen, they are certain to happen. And that is why we again and again categorize them into good and bad, and every time we'll finding the cycle is revolving. After some time we feel good and bad and this and that. This is just rubbish. If we just kind of disapprove this phenomena, this theory, we will not believe on this theory, it is just a theory. Believe me, it is just a theory, and nothing एंड नॉट मोर देन दैट. बट यही है ना कि यार, व्हेन वी बिलीव समथिंग, वी बिलीव so strongly that we perceive it as a fact, as a kind of universal law. But I would tell one thing, just making you clear that there is nothing like universal law. Whatever you do, okay, defines or create a different way, and it is applicable in the universe. You innovate something. If here the whole world is moving towards one side, and if you move towards another side which is not yet founded or discovered, it would be not like, yeah, there is only one way. Life, universe, earth has several ways. The way the in the way where nobody has gone, and you choose to go that way, becomes the kind of authorized or trusted way, okay, to the person who follows you. ओके, दैट इज़ द थिंग यार. इसको वो रखो कि यार अपना रास्ता खुद बनाओ. ठीक है, अपना रास्ता खुद बनाओ. लाइफ तो है ही रिस्क लेते हैं रिस्क यार. रिस्क भी नहीं लिया तो फिर लाइफ में किया ही क्या है. तो रिस्क लेते हैं, थोड़ा रिस्क लेना चाहिए. कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि यार इसमें अनसर्टेनिटी तो है, लेकिन मुझे जाना तो इसी फील्ड में, तो पहले यार सब कुछ जानकारी जुटा लो उस बारे में, और उसके बाद अपने पे ट्रस्ट रख के घुस जाओ बस. और आपको पता है, जहाँ एक बार आप घुस जाते हो, जब आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं रहता, तो आप वो चीज़ कर ही लेते हो. ये तो आप मानते ही हो, सिंपल सी बात है. और ये तो फैक्ट है भैया, इट इज़ अ फैक्ट, साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन फैक्ट है ये. समझो, देखो भैया, सिंपल सी बात है, ये जान लो या मान लो. जो मान लिया वो बाद में आप जान ही जाते हो, और जो जान लिया है इसका मतलब आपने मान लिया है. ठीक है, बड़ा ही सिंपल लाइफ है यार. लाइफ इज़ व्हाट यू मेक इट. लाइफ का बड़ा सीधी सा और बहुत ही ईजी सा कंसेप्ट है यार, कि लाइफ इज़ व्हाट यू मेक इट, एंड नॉट मोर देन दैट. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो को यहीं एंड अप करते हैं. काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो रहा ये, और काफ़ी आई वुड से काफ़ी अच्छी बात करी हमने इस पर. तो फॉर टुडे एंड करते हैं यहीं पे. कल सुबह की मॉर्निंग के साथ एक नया सुबह का एक नई शुरुआत हमारा इंतज़ार कर रही होगी, इसके लिए रेडी रहेंगे. ठीक है, अभी आपसे एक चीज़ कहूँगा कि यार 28 मार्च तक आप ये मान लीजिए कि यार और कोई चीज़ है ही नहीं ज़िंदगी में. ठीक है, एक ये एक्सरसाइज एक एक्सपीरियंस है. ये मान लीजिए कि यार और कोई लाइफ में चीज़ है ही नहीं. 28 दिन, 28 तारीख, जस्ट दैट यार. एक नया लाइफस्टाइल शुरू कीजिए. सच में एक नया लाइफस्टाइल शुरू कीजिए. ठीक है, 28 तारीख के बाद कुछ बात करेंगे यार, यहाँ जाना वहाँ जाना, क्योंकि अभी तो टाइम वेस्ट है यार. ठीक है, जब आप ड्राइव कर रहे हो ना, तो पूरा फोकस ड्राइविंग पे दो. ये मत दो यार कि मैं अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुँचूंगा तो क्या कराऊंगा. नहीं, आपको पहले उस डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुँचना है, उसके बाद देखेंगे क्या करना है. ठीक है, तो और अगर आपको कभी सोचना होता है तो ड्राइविंग करते करते मत सोचा करो यार, अपने आप को टाइम दिया करो कि यार मैं इतना टाइम वहाँ पे रुक जाता हूँ. जैसे ड्राइविंग करते करते भी वक्त कभी कुछ बैठने की या रुकने की जगह अकोमोडेशन, तो आपने वहाँ गाड़ी रोक ली और बात कर ली कि भैया आप एक आध रात यहाँ रुक जाते हैं, है ना. इसलिए ड्राइविंग करते करते नहीं चलो, और ये आपका ड्राइविंग का फेज़ है. ठीक है, और इसको एंजॉय करो फुल्ली. देखो, आपको इतना तो पता चल गया होगा कि आपके बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम का घंटा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता आपके कॉलेज पे. तो इसलिए यार मैं तो कहूँगा कि इसके मज़े ले लो, इसके मोए मोए कर दो. ठीक है, और आपका लाइफ में पहला एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, पहला 12th का एग्ज़ाम होगा, तो मोए मोए तो करना बनता है ना भाई. तो इसी के साथ ये वीडियो को हम एंड करेंगे. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. और आप लगे रहो, दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग। बाय बाय।